Today we'll be demoing our final project for ECE 420 at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. For this project, we created an Android app that allows for a real-time vocoder effect using the built-in microphone on your Android device. The vocoding is done with one of 3 pre-recorded carrier signals.
A vocoder is an audio effect that uses one signal, called a modulator, to affect the amplitude envelope of another signal, called a carrier. Although the original purpose of the vocoder was to aid in transmitting speech over long-distance signals, many modern-day implementations use it as a musical effect instead.
By choosing a carrier signal, such as a synthesized string sound or pad, and using the human voice as a modulator, a vocoder creates the impression that the instrument is actually speaking the words. Some common examples of this are the Daft Punk vocal effect on songs like Around the World and Get Lucky. We have achieved this effect by performing Fourier transforms on both the modulator and the carrier, and multiplying the amplitude portion of the modulator's frequency response with the full carrier frequency response.
All of the processing happens on the fly in Android, as long as the app is in play state. In order to simplify processing, the thread handling, we have decided to limit the app to pre-recorded carrier signals stored in WAV files for now. The 3 options are synthesized strings, periodic white noises, and a longer white noise burst as well.
Without further ado, here is a demonstration of the app in action.
When you open the app, this is what you see. We have 3 pre-recorded carrier signals. One which is more musical sounding, which is our synthesized strings, the periodic white noise, which makes you sound like a robot, and the longer burst of white noise, which is quite scary actually. So right now we have the synthesized strings hooked up, so we're going to hit play to get it working. Now when we talk into it,
hello, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3.
we sound quite angelic. Switch over to the robot.
Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3.
And for our final carrier,
Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3.
and one of the fun parts about this is that you can continuously switch while one carrier is playing. So for example, if we start on synthesized strings,
Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3.
there you have it. That's our app.
We're Mark and Debjit. Hope you enjoyed our project.